Hi students, welcome back to JEE Chemistry Insight series. In this series, we have been exploring the solution for previous year JEE Chemistry exam papers. If you are new here, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for notification. Let's see what's today's problem. So this is the problem from JEE Main 2024. As per this problem, the compounds which give positive Fehling test are. So here you see there are 5 compound structures are given, as well as there are 4 options also given. Let's solve together which one is the correct option for this question. So before moving to the solution, first let's talk about what is mean Fehling test. So Fehling test is a chemical test which is used to distinguish between reducing sugar and non-reducing sugar. Especially this test is mostly useful for carbohydrate chemistry in order to differentiate reducing sugar and non-reducing sugar. As well as this test can be useful for to identify other carbonyl compounds, especially aldehydes and ketones that have the ability to reduce Fehling solution. So in Fehling test, there are 2 solutions are involved. One is Fehling A. Fehling A means that aqueous copper 2 sulfate solution is called Fehling A. In case of Fehling B, alkaline solution of sodium potassium tartrate and sodium hydroxide. So let's see what are the compounds give positive as well as negative result for Fehling test. In case of positive result, all the aldehydes except aromatic aldehydes give positive result for Fehling test. So those aldehydes give brick red color precipitate of cuprous oxide, which means that positive result. So apart from aldehydes, all those monosaccharides also give a positive result for Fehling test, and similarly ketose monosaccharide also give a positive result since they are converted to aldoses by the base in the reagent. In case of negative result, all the ketones should give negative result, no precipitate forms, and the solution remains blue. There is a one exception, alpha hydroxy ketones give positive result for Fehling test. So let's see one example. So now you see acetaldehyde when it treated with Fehling A and Fehling B under heating that readily produce brick red color precipitate of cuprous oxide, which means that which give positive result for Fehling test. So now let's moving on one by one all the molecules, then finally decide which one is the correct option for this question. So this is the first molecule. So benzaldehyde. So this one is a aromatic aldehyde. So just now we seen that all the aromatic aldehydes should give negative result for Fehling test. So therefore this one give negative result. So this is the second molecule. So this one is a ketone. So we know that ketone give the negative result for Fehling test. So let's moving on third molecule. So here you see, once you see this molecule, most of them understand. So this one is a carbohydrate molecule. So especially here you see has keto functional group. That means that this one is a ketose. So we know that ketose converted into the aldose under this test condition. So now you see this exactly fructose. So fructose under basic condition which converted into corresponding aldoses such as glucose as well as mannose. So now you see these both aldoses has aldehyde functional group. Therefore, these both compounds give a positive result for Fehling test. So let's moving on our fourth molecule, so which is acetaldehyde. So we know that aldehyde give a positive result. So our final molecule, so here you see as aldehyde functional group. However, here one aromatic ring system also present. So anyway, this aldehyde not directly connected with aromatic ring system. Therefore, this aldehyde should give a positive result for Fehling test. So now let's moving on our question. So here you see the compounds which give positive Fehling test are. So as per our discussion, compound C, compound D as well as compound E give a positive Fehling test. So therefore, as per our discussion, among the 4 answer, the correct option for this question is option 2. That's it for today's problem. I hope this explanation has helped you to understand this question. If you enjoyed this session, just give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe ChemOrgChem for much more content like this. And finally, thanks for watching. Bye bye.